We're at IDEX 2019 and I'm speaking with Amara Khurshid, Sales Specialist, International Armoured Group. Amara, International Armoured Group are showing a large quantity of vehicles here at the show. Before we discuss any of those, could you tell us a little bit about International Armoured Group and the history of the company?
First of all, welcome to IDEX 2019. International Armoured Group is one of the largest privately owned armoured vehicle manufacturers of the world. We started 20 years ago with cash in transit field. We expanded to commercial armoured vehicles and followed by passenger transport vehicle and most recently to tactical armoured vehicles. IAG continuously believes in development of its know-how and implementation of latest designs and technologies in the industry, which is proven by our VR certifications and STANAG level military certifications, which are specifically built for modern military and law enforcement agencies.
You are showing a number of vehicles here at IDEX. Which of those should be of particular interest to visitors?
You know, after the successful launch of our first generation of tactical armored vehicles, now at IDEX 2019 we are going to unveil 3 of our latest products for modern military and law enforcement. So, as a great start of 2019, IAG has added yet another international vehicle certification to its popular Guardian Extreme Mrap vehicle. The vehicle you see right now here has successfully passed STANAG Level 2 ballistic certification and STANAG Level 2A, 2B and 3A blast certification. And you can see the V-Health shaped floor, which offers superior blast protection, and the 12,000 lbs front axle for additional payload capacity. It can sit up to 10 to 12 fully geared infantry personnel and is equipped with high-grade blast attenuation seats. So we can offer you 4x4 as well as 6x6 configuration, and there are a variety of suspension systems as well, including four-link suspension systems, independent suspensions and CTIS. So Guardian Extreme is specifically designed for combat, tactical missions and surveillance missions around the world because of its high maneuverability and payload capacity.
And you say this particular vehicle has been tested to STANAG Level 2. What's the maximum permissible level of protection?
We can offer you STANAG Level 3 protection as well in Guardian Extreme Mrap, and that's because of our high-grade light armor technology. That's add-on technology to the existing STANAG Level 2 actually. And Guardian Extreme Mrap vehicle has been specifically built and designed for tactical missions, for combat surveillance because of its high maneuverability and higher part-weight ratios.
Slightly larger than the Guardian Extreme is the Rilla, which I believe you introduced a couple of years ago. You're showing an example of that here. Could you tell us a little bit about that?
After the successful launch and worldwide operations of our largest Rilla 518, now we're going to introduce the smaller variant in same category that is called Rilla 315. So it's available in 4x4 as well as 6x6 configurations, and it has a 6-liter engine which is turbocharged diesel and which can produce 280 horsepower and 930 Nm of torque. This vehicle can be configured as an ambulance, as anti-riot vehicle and also as logistic support vehicle.
If I remember correctly, the original Rilla was based on an Iveco platform. Is the current one based on an Iveco platform? And what sort of protection levels can you offer on that vehicle?
Indeed, this, as I told you, this is the same smaller variant of the same chassis. So the chassis platform is also the Iveco Defense, but we can configure it up to STANAG Level 3 protection for both ballistic and blast.
And in addition to Rilla and Guardian Extreme, is there anything else of interest that you're highlighting here at IDEX?
Yes. Now talking about our civilian armored vehicles. IAG has got BRV 2009 VR7 certifications for over 9 years now. But this year we pushed the envelope and we put our existing VR7 certified vehicle through even more stringent tests. And as a result of that, we have now successfully passed STANAG level 2A blast protection in our commercial TLC 200 chassis. And it's very difficult for a manufacturer to attain higher level of blast protection in commercial chassis like TLC 200, because you cannot equip V-hull shaped floor in commercial platforms, so it makes it very difficult to acquire 6 kgs TNT blast protection in the commercial chassis. So the TLC 200 is IAG's flagship civilian armored vehicle. So till date we have even made and exported over 5,000 TLC 200s, and which are deployed in various hostile regions and are used by NGOs, government agencies, security companies and forces.
And this latest version is actually available now, should anybody require it?
Yeah, of course, it's readily available, and we have already attained the certification for it, and we're going to further push it to other certifications in the coming year.
Excellent. Thank you very much indeed.